profit, people. Please, I gotta go to Jerusalem.
Police officer, so it's a little
What
bit
am I
different.
doing wrong, officer?
We got a call for that.
Am I using it? It's no blood. It's a treasure. You can look at it. It's not a weapon, sir.
So I can look
It's
at
not a weapon, sir. It's not a weapon. It's not a weapon, sir. It's not a weapon. It's not a weapon. It's clean.
It's clean, but it scares the...
It's clean. I'm not holding it or anything. I'm cut.
I know.
We are allowed to open carry.
Not in the airport.
I'm not on the airplane, sir.
Not in the airport.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me.
What?
Excuse me.
You got another knife on you.
Excuse me.
Turn around.
Excuse me.
Turn around.
Excuse me. Watch out. Watch out. You watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Get on the ground.
On the ground right now.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Go.
I'm being peace. I'm being peaceful. I'm being peaceful. I'm being peaceful. I'm being peaceful. It's an emergency.
Get on the ground.
On the ground.
I
On the ground right now.
have to go to Jerusalem. I'm a prophet, guys.
Get on the ground.
People. I'm a prophet, people. I'm a prophet, people. Please, I gotta go to Jerusalem.
Sound awesome.
I have to go to the
Send
Aqsa.
everybody. On the ground.
On the ground.
On the ground.
Go to the Aqsa.
On the ground.
Stop it.
On the
Do not reach for anything.
I don't have no weapon.
Sir, do not reach for anything. Do not reach.
Get them guns.
Do not reach.
Get them guns down on the floor.
Do not reach.
Get them guns down on the floor.
On your face.
I'm gonna get up.
Turn around.
Put them down.
Turn around.
Put them down now.
Turn around.
Put them down.
Turn around.
Put them down.
Turn around.
I got my hands behind my back, so put them down.
Turn around.
You turn around. There's an emergency overseas and I need to go there now.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around.
Listen. Listen. You guys gotta fucking shoot me then. Shoot me, please. Shoot me, please, bro. Tell
Turn
me,
around.
I love you, bro. Love you, bro. Please tell me, bro. I gotta go overseas. I don't want to go to trouble. Please, bro. I don't want to cause no trouble, bro.
Drop
I
it.
go overseas, bro. I
You
gotta
go overseas.
please. Do not let me go with you on that plane, please. I gotta go
not
to Israel.
Drop the knife.
Palestine.
Sir, one more time. Drop the knife.
Kill me.
Drop the knife.
Kill me.
I tried once. It didn't work.
Kill me.
It's not even going to work. Drop it.
Stop it, please.
Drop it.
Stop it.
Drop it.
Man.
Drop it. Get him.
Please,
No. Son of a bitch. Get him. Got it, Brody? Get it, bro. You got it? You got one? You got one?
I'm not resisting.
Grab your hand. Hands.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. go to the wall. They're trying to change me into a dog.
Come up.
They're trying to change me into a dog. They're trying to change me into a dog.
Need to knock him out.
All right. Whatever you got to do. Sit up.
I gotta go to see bro. It's emergency. It's more serious than me. Okay? It's more serious than
Quiet.
Joe.
Just be quiet for a minute, all right? Hush.
Okay. Yo, Allah. Love you guys, bro. Love you guys. I'm not here to hurt you. Don't be scared of me. I'm a prophet, bro. I'm not here to hurt you, bro. You guys make me feel so fearing. I'm not a fearing person, bro. Please, I'm just resting out, bro. That's it. Please, I'm